So today we're unboxing a pretty rare pair of football boots. These are the brand new Predator Mania re-release in the black, white and red colorway. The one everybody's been wanting. I managed to win them on the Pro Direct raffle. They're released on Adidas but on sizes 6 to 7.5, so it was pretty much impossible to get them in any bigger sizes. I managed to pick these up in a UK 10 on the Pro Direct raffle. Got extremely lucky. I don't know how I did it. But here they are. This is a look at the label you can see on the side here. UK 10, this is a UK label here. And then it comes in a standard black Adidas box, but it does say made in, I'm going to absolutely butcher this, but Shinefield on the side. I don't know if you can see that on that side, but this side, it says made in Shinefield, but very hard to see. But it is a slide box, so we'll open these up. Comes with a little leaflet as well, as you can see here. On both sides you can see the text, and then here are the boots. Check them out. A white, black and red Predator. Yes. And you also do get a boot bag on the inside, which is black with the Predator text in red and the Adidas logo in the corner in red. And then you do get the paper as well. It was wrapped around the boots, but I've already done an unboxing on my TikTok channel. And then here are the boots. Come on, these look amazing. Check them out. They released these to celebrate 75 years of German craftsmanship, and I have to say, this is the one that I was excited for. They have the blue Predator Mania. I've actually got them and done unboxing on them on my TikTok channel as well. This is the black and red ones, and they did have a pearl kind of creamy one, which I didn't manage to pick up, but this is the one everyone wants, and I do believe they are coming out with a full red version as well. The original 2002 Predator Mania is actually considered by many to be one of the greatest football boots of all time, and this kind of resembles that pretty much exactly. However, there are minor differences. So with this boot, Adidas has said they're trying to ensure peak performance without kind of sacrificing that previous historic look of the Predator Mania, but it does mean that the 3 stripes do not wrap underneath, which for me is a huge shame. It just doesn't look right with the Adidas stripes on the side, I have to admit. And a lot of people have been complaining about this. And what I would say is, although it's German craftsmanship and meant to be amazing quality, I'm a little bit disappointed in the sole play. It's just a standard one, and I have to say, there are paint marks all over my pair, which is a little bit disappointing. I would expect it to be pristine and perfect, but that's just my opinion. Acknowledging this is a final nod to Adidas expert craftsmanship, they've added a little made in Germany here on the front, as you can see. It's very subtle, and I actually like that. If it was too bold and in your face, it would kind of ruin the red tongue, so I like that it's in a red embroidery. It makes that Adidas logo in the white embroidery stand out a lot more. When this boot was announced, it was announced by no other than Alessandro Del Piero. What better player to announce this pair of football boots? Taking a look at the back of the boot, you do get a red heel cup and these 3 hidden white Adidas stripes. What I said in my TikTok is I would prefer these 3 Adidas stripes to go over the heel cup and just make them a little bit more visible. And then you do have a black top of the heel tab here with the Adidas logo in white. When I showed you the sole plate earlier, actually I'm a little disappointed as well that the Predator text doesn't stand out. It just, I don't know, it just looks a bit amateur, and I just don't like that sole plate at all. Don't like the white, don't like the red, I just don't like how it mixes together. Yeah, I think it actually ruins the boot in my opinion, but yeah. If you lift up the iconic red tongue, there is actually no detailing underneath. I would have liked something to be here, but I guess it's iconic just to have it plain red. The standard laces that you come out in black, cool. It would have been great if they provided some more spare laces. You could customize this, even a red one, but that's just not what they do. And then unlike the Elite pair, there is no branding whatsoever on the elastic going around the boot. What I would say is very good about this pair is the material quality of the upper is very nice. Really, really soft, and these will just mold to your feet perfectly. And staying true to Predator Mania style, there's no extra heel padding on the inside like there is on the brand new Predator Elite, so I actually don't mind this, and I think this leather is very comfy on the heel and actually molds to your foot perfectly. Taking a look inside the boot, it does come with paper shoe tree, which is massive, and then we take out the insole. So I saw online there were 2 different insoles that came with this pair. In some images, these 3 Adidas stripes were white, but the pair that I've received, the stripes are black. I actually prefer it with the stripes in white, but this is the one I got. I don't know if it comes in 2 variations. This is just the one I received. And like with most limited collections of Adidas, they only come in FG, which is a little bit disappointing. Most people play on AG nowadays, and even SG wet pitches, and I prefer AG all day. I know you can wear these on AG, but they're just not the best, and they don't perform the best, and this sole plate has had issues in the past, so I really hope they've actually fixed this, because some other Predators have had cracking. But I've not tried this pair out yet. It could be a lot better. But I still would prefer if they came in SG, AG and FG and just gave you all variations. But I understand this is more of a collector's piece than a pair that anybody's really going to wear on the pitch. I highly doubt you'll see anybody ever wear these, especially in a size UK 10 in the UK, because they were so hard to get. On eBay, these are going for over £400 now, and they were to purchase £250. That's a huge profit margin, which is crazy. But it's understandable when Adidas did not release bigger sizing, or I don't know, they just messed up on their raffle. But big shout out to ProDirect and their raffle, because I seem to keep winning, so pretty happy about that. Let me know what you think of the brand new Adidas Predator Mania in the red, black and white. Do you think the stripes ruin it? The sole plate ruins it? Or do you actually think it's a fantastic football boot? From the upper, looking at it like this, if I showed you like this, oh, it looks so good. It's just, I don't know, that just doesn't do it for me. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. And if you want shorter content, follow me on TikTok, because I do unboxings and more boot reviews. But thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll be doing a giveaway very, very soon.